See there, HR Limited is progressing in its legal industry. One of its trainee, moral of the story, will any calculation done by them will be correct or wrong? Wrong. Interns. Mr. H in the personnel department has calculated labor turnover rate as 24.92 for the last year using Flux method. So under Flux method, they told that it is 24.92%. Following is the data provided by the personnel department for the last year. At the beginning of the year, we had so many employees, few question marks. Joined is there, left is there, at the end, what is there? That is there. Now, employees transferred from subsidiary company, that is, they are coming to our company, which is not recorded above. Senior staff attorney 12 are coming in, senior records clerk 39 are coming in. Employee transferred to the subsidiary are, that is, we are transferring our employees to our subsidiary, which is as good as separation, no? That is 90 and 15, these are not recorded above. Now, at the beginning of the year, there were total 1158 employees on the payroll of the company. The opening strength of legal secretary, staff attorney, associate attorney were in the ratio of 3:3:2. So opening strength of these three workers were in the ratio of 3:3:2. The company has decided to abandon the post litigation attorney, and consequently all the litigation attorneys were transferred to subsidiary company. So full 90 here is there, no? Everything were transferred. That means we are keeping no one. The company and its subsidiary maintain separate set of books of accounts. Moral of the story, separation only. It should be treated as separation only. Replacement only. You are not going to treat same company, no, like same parent company, no. So it is not replacement separation, no. We are maintaining separate set of books. That means they are different, we are different. Required to calculate labor turnover using replacement method and separation method. 2. Verify the labor turnover calculated under Flux method by Mr. H. Go through the question, guys. Go through the question. Nice question. Mark it as LMR Pro Max. Okay. Tell me, at the beginning of the year, they told how many employees are there? 1,000? 158 employees are there. Correct? No? Now, listen. Record clerk to all the information is there. Look at HR manager. Opening itself is not there. All other information is there. That means using that, don't you think you can find out how much is HR? Yes? How much was opening? 120. Opening was 120. So 30 newly joined, it became 150, 90 left, so balance became 60. Reverse calculation. Done. Next. Legal secretary, staff attorney, associate attorney, let it be. For that they are telling the ratio. Before that, litigation attorney, see what they are telling. Litigation attorney, they told, we don't want that post anymore. So we completely transferred everyone. Moral of the story, closing we are keeping 0. And transferred to next, I am going to keep treat it as left, is 90. Newly joined is nil. That means opening should be 90. Opening should be 90. Correct? No? Now, that means, can you tell me, total of these three is how much? Balancing figure. 120 or 130? 120. Now listen, 120 that they are telling in the ratio of 3:3:2. Correct? No? The strength of legal secretary, staff attorney, associate attorney is 3:3:2. So 120 in the ratio of 3:3:2 is 45, 45, 30. Is that clear? Hello? Which one?
Why can't the calculation be 1008 into 3 divided by 8?
What they have given in question?
They told there is a total of 1001 employees at the beginning, and these three departments are in the ratio of 3:3.
Only these three don't have 1158. No. Overall we have 1158. So you don't divide 1158 into this one. Wait sir, we'll see. There are people who have left. Wait. Now listen. Shh. Is opening clear? Now, how many employees we have transferred to the next one? Associate attorney, we transferred 15. That I am going to take it in the separation. 30 plus 30 minus 15. 45. Done? Okay. Next. How many came in? Senior staff came 12. So, senior staff attorney 12 came in here. It became 18. And senior record 39 came in. It became 51. Now, talking about legal secretary closing. No one left. So, it will be 135. Staff attorney 45. 30 left. 30 joined. 45. And this is 0. So now may I know how much is the closing number of employees? Hmm? 2340 plus 60 plus 165 plus 45 plus 45 plus 18 plus 51 plus 0. 2000 2694. Done. 2694. Now listen everyone. Joined is very simple. That is our accession. Agreed? Left is very simple. That is our separation. Left is our separation. Correct? No. Now listen. They are asking you to find out employee turnover under replacement under separation. So separation information I have. Now that new like accession is there, no? Joined accession. Let me divide it into two parts. Replacement, new joinees. Replacement and new joinees. Now listen. Out of in records clerk 90 left, 1620 joined. That means first I will assume all the 90 are replaced because the question is silent about it. So all the 90 are replaced. On that we appointed 1530 for the new joinees. Understood? Next one you can see 90 left, separation 90. New joinees are like new accession is only 30. That I assume everyone are replaced. Next, 90 joined, none of them left. Everything is new joinees. Next one, 30 left, 30 joined. Replacement 30, new joinees nil. Next one, 15 left, 30 joined. 15 replacement, 15 new joinees. No one left, 12 joined. 12 new joinees. No one left, 39 left. 39 joined. No one joined, whole 90 left. Both nil. Got it? Now can you tell me the total replacement? 160 new joinees. 1686. By the way, number of separations total 90, 90, 180, 180, 270, 300, 350 na. Now Average is how much, guys? Let's say, first let's find out employee turnover using replacement. Number of replacement 165 divided by average number of employees 1158 plus 2694 divided by 2 into 100. 8.57 percentage. Next, employee turnover using separation. Number of separations are 315 divided by 1158 plus 2694 divided by 2. 16.36 percentage. Correct? Into 100 you have to do, of course. Next one, employee turnover under Flux. Number of replacement 165 plus number of new joinees 1686, which is nothing but your total of accession plus number of separation 315 whole divided by 1158 plus 2694 divided by 2. 112.46 percentage. So what do you think? Calculation of Mr. H is correct or wrong? Wrong. What mistake you would have done? By looking at the difference 24.92 and 112.46. What mistake he would have done? Check Flux formula without considering new joinees.
He didn't take 1686.
Good. He didn't take new joinees at all. If you do 165 plus 315 divided by average number of employees, you will get that answer. That means new joinees was not taken into consideration. New joinees weren't taken into consideration. Is that clear? Pakka? Okay. If you want to take photo of this, quickly take photo. However, try solving it on your own because this data has few unknown figures. When you want to find out unknown figures, it's always advised to try it on your own. Only for reference purpose, you can take these photos. Okay, but try solving it on your own once. And mark it as LMR Pro Max. Very important question. That is November 2022 RTP. Question number 1 done. Sorry, pick number 1 done. No, na. Pick number 1. Done. Pick number 2. Try solving this as homework. Try solving it on your own. Don't see the answer. Do the mistake. Learn from the mistake so that you don't do it in examination. Inshallah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.